everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in the place Peddamma temple, which is in Jubilee Hills. So I'm going to show you the place which is here. So let's get see it.
Peddamma Temple is an Hindu temple located at Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, road number 55. It is very famous during the festive season of Bonalu. This temple is one of the most popular religious shrines of Hyderabad, said to be more than 150 years old. This temple took its present shape in the year 1993 when the Rajagopuram was built. Peddamma Talli is also known as Durgamma and Amavaru. She is also one of 11 forms of goddess Mahankali. There is also the statue of PJR Pabat Reddy Janardhan Reddy Garu, who developed the temple, and also the statues are Shankuchakra and Trishulam are there. And also there is cowshed. In Telugu it is known as Goshala. And there are plenty of shops. Devotees can offer coconuts, garlands and bangles to the goddess Peddamma Talli. And there is also Koneru, which is present in north direction. After entering to the temple, there is a place where coins are placed vertically and make a wish. Devotees believe that their wish will be fulfilled if they place the coin vertically. Timings of temple are: in regular days the temple is open from 6 am to 1 pm and 3 pm to 8 pm. On Sundays the temple is open from 6 am to 8:30 pm. The temple is a must visit during the Bonalu festival, which occurs during June to July every year. The two mega events of this goddess, namely Mahotsavam and Rathotsavam, will be celebrated in February. This Garbhagudi is built of 5 floors. And also the word Peddamma, which consists of two separate words, Pedda and Amma, literally mean mother of mothers or the supreme mother. Peddamma temple has couple of small temples beside the main temple. One is Nagadevata temple and Lakshmi, Ganapati and Saraswati temples. And near that Prasadam counter is also available.
So I hope you really like this video and you also visit this temple. This is very famous and powerful temple. And also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more notifications and updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you all later. Signing off, Shanu's World.